Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking about my personal opinion on eye creams. So just to preface everything, this is my personal opinion. If you happen to love eye creams and really believe in them, if you're using an eye cream from a dermatologist and they really recommend it, then by all means keep using it. Skincare is so personal, and whatever works for you, may not work for me. What works for me may not work for you. So in my humble opinion, I personally believe that eye creams are a total scam. So I'm a numbers kind of gal. Math has always been my jam, and so I'm going to start with a cost breakdown of eye creams versus moisturizers. So an eye cream and a moisturizer that I have personally tried is the Belif Aqua Bomb series. So there's the the Belif Eye Balm and then the Belif Aqua Bomb. I have tried both of those products and I've actually really enjoyed both. However, the eye balm or the eye cream is $1.92 per milliliter, whereas the Belif Aqua Bomb is 76 cents per milliliter. So the eye cream is over doubly expensive what the moisturizer is, and it has really similar ingredients. And also the eye balm is much smaller than the Aqua Bomb moisturizer for your face. The textures of them are different. The eye balm is a little bit thicker, whereas the Aqua Bomb is much more gel-like in texture. But the overall result that it had on my skin was identical. So let's take another example. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Retinol eye cream, and then the Glow Recipe Avocado Retinol face cream. We're gonna talk about those two. So the eye cream from Glow Recipe is $2.80 per milliliter, whereas the retinol face cream from Glow Recipe is 70 cents per milliliter. So the eye cream is like 4 times as expensive as the face cream. Something important that I do want to note here though is that they do have similar ingredients, but there's one big notable difference that I want to point out. The face cream has PHA or polyhydroxy acid in it, whereas the eye cream does not. And I think that was a smart move on their behalf, because I don't think any sort of exfoliating acid should go underneath the eye area. So let's talk about why the under eye area needs special treatment in the first place. Plot twist, it doesn't. You should be treating your entire face as if it were your under eye area. Your under eyes should not get any sort of special attention, because that special attention should be applied to your entire face and neck. Now, it is true that the under eye area is very delicate, and you do need to pay special attention to what ingredients you're using on that area. But you should also be paying special attention to the ingredients that you use all over your face. So in my opinion, eye creams are just not necessary for a good skincare routine. If you have a really solid moisturizer with amazing ingredients, there's nothing stopping you from using it as an eye cream underneath your eyes. So don't be fooled by eye creams. They're just not necessary. They're a great way for skincare companies to make money, because they can, really reduce the size of the product and jack the price up and call it an eye cream. But in reality, it delivers the exact same benefits as a great moisturizer does. So even though I have used eye creams on and off in the past, and I'm currently using an eye cream, I don't think it's totally necessary. However, eye creams can be a really fun part of your skincare routine. It can be a really nice way to lavish attention underneath your eyes and make sure that the area is properly hydrated. But don't feel the pressure to go out and buy a really expensive eye cream, because in my opinion, it's just not necessary. Like, what's stopping you from using a moisturizer of that caliber underneath your eyes in addition to all over your face? So hopefully this video saves you a little bit of money. I do use eye creams on and off, and I don't, really see a difference in my under eye area when I'm not using them or anything. Only in extreme climates, like extremely cold weather, do I see a difference in my skin. But again, there's nothing stopping me from using my normal facial moisturizer underneath my eyes. The one thing that I do want to say is that you do need to pay special attention to the ingredients in whatever you use underneath your eyes. So if your facial moisturizer has AHAs, BHAs, PHAs, any sort of exfoliating acids, any sort of, exfoliating ingredient in general, I would, generally err on the side of caution and not apply that underneath my eye area, because it can be a little bit too irritating, and if you get it in your eye, man oh man, it's a burn. So all in all, don't feel pressured to buy an eye cream if you currently don't use one. There's no hard and fast rule that at any particular age, like 18, 20, 25, do you need to start using an eye cream. Those are just general guidelines that people like to throw out, especially companies that want to make money by, marketing these products to you and getting you to buy them. So hopefully my little cost breakdown showing you that eye creams are way more expensive than facial moisturizers for basically the same product and the same ingredients. Hopefully that convinces you that eye creams are just really not necessary. So hopefully in 2020 you'll be able to save a little bit of money by foregoing the eye cream and just using your amazing moisturizer all over your face and your under eye area. So I want to know, do you agree with me or do you completely disagree with me? Let's talk about it in the comments. I am, you know, welcoming any sort of commentary about this topic. I think it's really interesting. I think, you know, like I said at the beginning of the video, skincare is so incredibly personal, and so whatever works for you may not work for me, whatever works for me may not work for you. If that's like a holy grail eye cream that has changed your life, I absolutely want to hear about it, because all the eye creams that I've tried have been like, meh, they're okay. They haven't changed my under eye area dramatically, but then again, I am 23, and so I don't really struggle with crow's feet or fine lines underneath my eyes, besides just like the general folds of the under eye area, because no one's under eye area is totally airbrushed and perfect. So let's not confuse basic under eye anatomy with an issue that needs correcting. Okay, so I'm done talking about eye creams. I feel like I really ripped them apart. And you know, eye creams never did anything wrong. I'm just saying that they're just not necessary. So anyway, thank you guys so much for spending this time with me. Have a beautiful week. Looking forward to seeing your comments in the comment section down below. Let's talk about it. But anyway, have a beautiful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!